In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Quora if you want to earn commission. I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link so you can earn commission and so much more. Okay, so it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links on social media and I'm still making money, and in this month I made $5,125 in commission, and I will withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will get more commission. So anyway, so for people who are new to this business and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just keep scrolling down like this. Okay, and go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, so first you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, so click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private. Okay, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country over here. Okay, and choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few question, and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for this website that we will use to promote our affiliate links. Okay, of course for free, using free traffic. Just search for Quora, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Quora. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Quora to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for social media manager. Okay, or social media management. Okay, click on the search like this and here you go. So you will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr who are providing this service. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, it's super easy. So let's choose one of those sellers. So this one looks good, level 2 seller. Okay, so let me see if we can find a good one, and also choose sellers who are providing good price. Okay, so for example like this one, not a lot of people can buy this service. Okay, this seller is top rated seller, but this service is really the price is expensive. Okay, but this one is also top rated seller and his price is good. This price is fair enough for a lot of people to buy this service. Okay, 5 star, a lot of reviews. Click on his service, so just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and you can see over here that this seller has 202 orders in queue. That's 200 orders in queue. That's so much. A lot of people are buying this service. Okay, so this seller is really providing good service for his customers. People keep coming back. So this is really a profitable service. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this profile link like this. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora. So what you will do next, so let me show you. I will go back. So I will go back to file. I will copy just those keywords, social media management, and I will go to Quora and I will search for this keywords. Okay, social media management. Okay, like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here searching for social media manager. Okay, and as you, so for example, what are some social media management tools? This one is not good for us to use. What is social media manager? Not this one, no. This one is good. Okay, as you can see, where I can hire social media manager. This one is a good one. Okay, this one searching for social media manager. What you need to do, you will click over here on answer. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, go to his description about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this part like this, and you will go back to Quora and you will put this description here, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here, and you will go to Quora and you will put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Click on post, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person who is looking for how to hire social media manager. Okay, if this person is still looking for how to hire social media manager, he will check your answer like this. Okay, he will click on your affiliate link, for example like this. He will be okay, so let's check again. So if he click on your affiliate link, he will be directly in this Fiverr seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. It's super easy, and you can find a lot of people searching for how to hire a social media manager. Okay, you will send this service to those people. Those people, if they are still interested, they will click on your affiliate links, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Super easy, but it's not too much easy. But you need, because you don't need to promote just one affiliate link. You need to promote a lot of affiliate links to get commission. So I'm promoting a lot of affiliate links every single day to earn commission. Okay, and you can use Quora. Feel free to check my YouTube channels, check my YouTube videos. I share with you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, Instagram, and so much more. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.